Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. There are numerous fresh updates about the future Galaxy S26 Ultra, and so we can now get an almost complete idea of what this camera beast from Samsung should offer. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's complete display specifications have been leaked. Insiders claim that it will definitely please all users. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. There are numerous leaks about the Samsung S26 Ultra, and so we can now get an almost complete idea of what this Ultra flagship model from Samsung should offer. Although nothing has been officially confirmed yet, speculation is usually not too far from the truth. Now the display specs and parameters have been publicly published for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and they look very promising. It has recently been speculated that the Galaxy S26 Ultra display will not only be better than other models in the series, but also than the previous flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A leaker under the nickname CID on X confirmed that Samsung is preparing a brand new one for him OLED panel M14 tech, and that's not the only news that will please fans of the South Korean giant. In addition, the Galaxy S26 Ultra display would have a great refresh rate up to 144Hz, QHD Plus resolution, and support for touch sensing up to 3200Hz. In addition, of course, it will have Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Technology should not be missing KOE. The entire panel should offer a brightness of 2600 nits, and the local peak brightness should reach up to 6000 nits in HDR. If we add to this the improved anti-glare properties, it will be a great display that will probably have nothing to complain about. Samsung also quietly promised that the display life of Galaxy S26 Ultra should be longer on the future flag than previous models, and its design should also improve energy efficiency. Plus, there is a lot of speculation about the security feature, like privacy tools and display security, which will limit visibility when viewed from the side. By the beginning of next year, we should expect a total of 4 models in the series Galaxy S26, plus they should be joined in the fall by Galaxy S26 Fan Edition. Although it was initially speculated that the model Galaxy S25 Plus will not have a successor, now it looks like Samsung is working on it too. The new upcoming Galaxy S26 series will launch early next year, which includes 3 models: the Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.